What if the power went out right now? Could you feed your family a real breakfast? Not just cold cereal to use up the milk before it spoils, but a real protein-packed breakfast. This delicious Denver Scramble is a protein-packed breakfast you can make even when the power is out. And if you don't have a gas stove, you can make it with this easy gas camp stove. And here's the twist. This meal is 100% straight from the pantry. I call it Grid Down Gourmet. No fridge, no power, no problem. I spent years building meals that work in real life and in emergencies. I don't do a bland survival food. I build pantry systems that taste like you ordered takeout. It's not your crazy uncle's prepper food, but it is emergency ready. Every delicious recipe I make feeds you today and protects you tomorrow. It's daily life meals and emergency food all in one. A true 2-for-1. This savory Denver Scramble is cheesy, veggie-filled, and uses real eggs. And here's the wild part. You could buy these ingredients today, store them properly for a year, and it would still taste just as good as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They save your busy weekdays, and they save your future. Power outage, storm, empty shelves, you're calm, you're fed. You're not in a panic line at the store. Keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make this delicious apocalypse-proof Denver Scramble step by step. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your Grid Down Gourmet rebel, the I hate to cook master, turning pantry ingredients into real meals. I've hacked the system. No more hours in the kitchen, no more meal stress. Everything you need is already in your pantry. And I'll show you how to turn it into meals your family actually wants. Delicious, fast, cheap. Follow me and I'll make sure that you never have to stress about another meal again, even if the grid goes down. I'm starving, so let's go. Here's everything you're gonna need for this delicious Denver Scrambled. Powdered eggs, dehydrated bell peppers, dehydrated onions, American cheese, white vinegar, cayenne pepper, water, and cooking spray. In a pan over medium heat, combine your dehydrated peppers, dehydrated onions, and water. Let them rehydrate and cook for about 10 minutes. While your veggies are cooking, start your eggs. Combine your powdered eggs, water, vinegar, and cayenne pepper, and let them sit for about 10 minutes to let the egg powder completely absorb the water. Letting it sit is essential for your eggs not to be clumpy. Now we're gonna break apart our American cheese into little squares. Once your veggies are done cooking, spray your cooking spray on your veggies, pour your scrambled eggs, and top with your cheese. Stir until fully cooked. The result? Flavorful, cheesy, soul-warming Denver Scramble that your family will love on any random Thursday or during a power outage. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending chore, it's time to ditch the hours of meal preps and follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals that actually taste good. And to get all the meals, head to loadedpotato.org for recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free meals. Now, while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Just pick the meals that you want and your family will love, and we'll do the rest for you. We'll calculate and add everything to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. No stress, no guesswork, so you can never have to worry about another meal again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.